Wind check.
Wind 3607, gust 16.
You know who Richard's flying with?
Claudia. Farmer 7-5 is off of police pad.
Farmer 7 to Valley Airport Rosie.
Farmer Rosie, Farmer 7.
This lady talks really fast, man. I didn't even understand what she said in the last one.
To talk confirmation Quebec, current 101011, altimeter 3007, tower frequency for aircraft 118.4. Translate 340, number 2, follow Twin Star, freeway final, runway 7 right.
Number 2, traffic inside for 7 right at translate 340.
Yeah, the runway inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Translate 430, left turn approved.
Translate 340.
And that was for translate 430, translate 430, left turn approved.
Left turn approved, translate 430.
Translate 340, base approved, runway 7 right, clear to land.
Clear to land for 7 right, base turn approved for translate 240.
Farmer 7, no need to board line, please stop beach runway 10207, gust 16.
Hey.
Ask her, was that for 917? I don't even understand. I think she said landing will be at your own risk, is what she said. They just say that to helicopter traffic all the time. That a lot of them land off airport, you know, at helipads on, like, I don't know.
Translate 917, base approved, runway 7 right, clear to land.
Please pull for runway 7 right, clear to land, translate 917.
Like at hospitals, you know, that might be within the airspace. Hospital. Yeah, well, anywhere, like a emergency, you know, room or something like that. Any place that has a helipad, if they're under, you know, an airport's airspace, they still have to get approved for departure and landing.
Oh.
Even though they're not landing or taking off from the airport, they're still in their airspace.
Riddle 92, traffic off your left archer northbound.
Over inside, roll 92.
Road 92, left turn approved.
Left turn approved, roll 92.
Riddle's down
please stop beach runway 1010 at 6, gust 16.
Yeah, that was helicopter.
Translate 340, turn right, Charlie 6, contact ground.
So there's a lot of noise in the background.
6 and contact ground, that's for translate 340. Unable Charlie E. Okay, we got Charlie 6, sorry about that.
No problem, have a good night.
Thank you.
Translate 430, brig change approved.
Return final level early.
430.
Get on center line.
Uh-oh.
The winds aren't even that bad now. They were kicking strong this afternoon.
Yeah.
When the sun goes down, it calms down a little
Traffic
bit.
not available.
Yep, see we're getting blown off to the right. There you go, you need to crab. Yeah, should be pointing towards the left runway actually. There you go. Alright, now once we get down to about 200 AGL, we're transition to that low wing side slip, right? Now kick that right rudder, point the nose right down the runway. Alright, right rudder. There you go. Now use your left aileron to hold your spot on center line. There you go. Keep coming down.
Riddle 92, verify traffic ahead, still in sight.
Inside, roll 92.
There you go.
Riddle 92, they'll be turning southbound momentarily on a practice Deer Valley 1, frequency change approved.
Keep that right rudder.
Roll 92.
Point that nose right down the runway. There you go. I have a lot of pressure on it. I need to feel you more. Good. Good job. All right. Wind correction. All right. 100% wind correction all the way in. There you go.
Translate 917 to Charlie 6 or Charlie 8, contact ground.
Charlie 6, contact ground, transfer 917.
When was the last time you landed at night?
Lots of time.
Yeah. When was the last night landing? Has it been a long time?
Maybe half a year or so ago.
Half a year? Yeah, that's a long time. Jeez. Not since your private night flight? Your BPL night flight?
Yeah.
Wow.
Night across the country.
Alright, you're on ground now.
Delaware ground, transfer 917, clear runway 7 right, Charlie 6, request taxi back to Transpac.
Flight 917 to ground, taxi to parking via Charlie, good night.
Check, taxi via Charlie.